Here's the installation video for Cayman 987.1 and 987.2 Radiator Grill Store radiator grills. This is for the side intakes. There are a couple clips that you need to be careful with, especially if the material is cold. There's one clip here that you spread apart these two pieces of plastic very gently while pulling up on the bottom of the trim piece. And then there's another clip here that you separate once the bottom one is separated and pull up on the trim piece, and that will release the trim piece. This is the passenger side intake. Remove this piece. This trim piece installs very easily, and here is how you install the grills in this trim piece. Pressure and alignment. Align it. This allows for some adjustment. Ensure there's no gaps, and get it to the edges. You can wiggle it to align. No tools necessary for this part of the installation. And press fit. Press fit. Leave a gap here so that the receiver part of the intake can accept it, and then reinstall, and by pressuring the clips back into place. The driver's side intake releases the same way with the clip here and the clip here. Pull apart the trim piece. This one will also require the internal intake removal with these clips here, here, and here. Remove this piece and then attach the grill piece, aligning it, and attach an included zip tie, cable tie here and here. And that would complete the install. Reinstall the inner piece and then reinstall the outer trim piece, and the driver's side is complete.